Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lindsay, and as you guys can see by the title, I am back again with another WEQUEEN collab. Now this wig is another braided wig, and it is actually similar to the first wig that I did, so I will link both videos that I've done with WEQUEEN so far with the braided wigs down below in the description box as well as in the cards. But the only difference about this one compared to the first one is that this one is a little bit shorter and there is no bun, so everything is just all the way down. Now once again, WEQUEEN did not ask me to do this video, but I wanted to share this wig with you guys in case anybody is interested in purchasing this wig. So as usual, I will show you guys construction of the cap, then I will give you guys a little bit more details about the wig, and then finally I will let you guys know how I feel about the wig. And I also have a code for you guys to use at checkout to save you some coins, so make sure you guys check the pinned comment down below, the description box, and I will have it right here on the screen for you guys towards the end of the video. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. So as you guys saw from the previous clip, this wig has 3 combs. It has 2 in the front and 1 in the back. It also has an adjustable strap, but the adjustable strap is a little bit different compared to what you guys are usually used to. And it also has an elastic band. Now you guys also saw that there was lace in the front and there is lace in the back as well, in case you wanted to glue the lace in the back and you kind of want to wear this whatever you guys decide. Now this wig, I actually did not install it because before I actually was going to install it, I had put the wig on and I realized that the way the lace was designed, where my ear was at, it wasn't gonna work out. So this wig is actually not installed. What I did was just swoop the baby hairs down, I use my mousse, and then I just put some Got to Be spray on top of the baby hairs. That's the only way that this wig is kind of, sitting in place besides the comb in the back. Now, the same thing, this does have adult baby hairs. So, I don't know if you guys can see this right here. See, y'all can tell this is like makeup and edge control and stuff, but y'all can tell, y'all see? So this is the baby hair. So I kind of just put this like this just to hide it a little bit, and like I said, I just swooped a couple baby hairs up here just to kind of make it look realistic. Okay, so as you guys also saw, WEQUEEN sent me a pair of lashes, some wig caps, and of course a little baggie to put the wig in. So let's go ahead and jump into a little bit more details about this wig. All right, so once again, this wig is from WEQUEEN. This is their light black half braids, half curls, 13x4 lace front wig. The color is a number 2, which is a light black, and the length is 16 inches. Now this wig retails for $132.99. But of course, if you do not want to pay full price, you can get the payments divided into 4 payments of $33.25 using PayPal. All right, so once again, it's a 13x4 lace front wig. The lace color is a medium brown. Cap size is average 22.5 inches, which comes with adjustable straps. Color is number 2. Braids type is 100% hand braided. Finish length is 16 inches. Hair material, hair resistant. Kennekalin. Every single video is right here for you guys. Synthetic fiber, and the hairline is pre-plucked with baby hairs. All right, so once again, I didn't too much like the cap where the lace was. The lace was just, it was just on there a little bit differently. So in my opinion, it was going to be a little hard to actually lay the wig down with, you know, Got the Bee spray. I just felt like the lace just wasn't cooperating on, you know, where my ears were. So I just went ahead and just cut off the lace and just left it like that, as I said. So once again, the wig is not fully installed on my head. Now, I didn't use a wig cap either, and I did not use a lace tint on this wig. It's on top of my hair. Okay, my hair is kind of slicked back in a ponytail. It was earlier, but you know, I didn't gel it all the way, but it's slicked back in a ponytail, and this is just sitting on top of my hair. So you guys can't really see, you can't really tell, but yeah. So it was easy to install per usual. Most of the braided wigs are easy to install, and that is their concept, because it's so easy. Okay, so easy. If you know, want to wear your natural hair tomorrow, and then next day you want to wear braids but don't feel like going to get your hair braided, perfect. One of these wigs is perfect. Now, I do like it. I think I like it a little bit more looking on camera versus in the mirror, or maybe at the time when I was trying to play with my baby hairs, I wasn't too much feeling it, but now it's not looking too bad. It's not looking too bad at all. The length is good as well. I do like the length. Even with the length being 16 inches, it still looks full for it, you know, to be curly. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys all around once again. So this is how she looks in the front, side, back, other side. So yeah, she is a cutie. She is definitely a cutie. I'm not gonna keep her though, but she is definitely cute, and I'm loving the braids in the front. So I do want to thank WEQUEEN for sending me this wig to review. I really do appreciate it, and of course I hope to work with them again in the future. You guys let me know down below in the comments what you think about this wig, as far as the length, how you like this braided style, all that stuff. Okay, let me know down below. Of course, like I promised, I do have a code for you guys to use at checkout to save you some money. So the code is TLS20. TLS is in capital letters, and then the number 2 and number 0. So make sure you guys check the pinned comment, the description box, as well as the link and all that stuff. But that is pretty much it for this video. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, and of course share this video with your family and friends. If you're a new subscriber, welcome, and if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button, as well as post notification bell, so you will not miss a new upload from yours truly. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you in my next one.